Hey, butterflies! Look, Bo, busy ants.
Wow, look at all these ants.
Don't scare them, buddy. It's so curious.
Bo, look, they're building little houses.
Wow, so tiny but so clever.
Here you go, little one.
I'll make it smoother. Look, they're happy.
Look, Bo, the tiny ant houses are glowing in the sunset.
Even the smallest creatures can make a beautiful home.
Good night, little builders. Sleep tight.
Gigi and Bo peeking into the ant village,
Hi,
smiling.
little ants. Need a hand?
We're here to help.
They loved helping small creatures. Hey, just because we haven't found the way yet doesn't mean there isn't one.
You're right. We won't give up on them. Almost there.
Please, magical tree, help these tiny ants.
I hope these lights help you, little ants.
Thank you, great tree.
Otherwise, you could make me tiny as the ants so I can help them myself.
The ancient magic awakens. Embrace the path of wonder and destiny.
In a peaceful meadow, a tiny ant village worked together every day, building homes and storing food.
Wow!
Together, even the biggest challenges seem small.
Don't worry, we're tiny now so we can help you better.
Push together! We can make it strong! We'll help you make it strong!
Together we can finish it.
Yes, let's build.
We can do it! Let's sit far away so we don't disturb the ants. Did you see that? The giants didn't step on us. They helped us.
Yes. But don't call them giants. Their names are Gigi and Bo. Very polite giants. Oh, I see. I'll remember that.
I carried a crumb bigger than my head, and Bo moved the big pebble like it was nothing.
We learned something important.
That teamwork is powerful?
Yes, and that friendship can be bigger than size. Well, what do we have here? A brand new ant village. Perfect place for me to take over. A brand new village? Perfect for me to stomp. But not everyone wanted the ant village to thrive.
This is our home. You can't just take it.
Oh, really? I'm bigger, I'm stronger, and I'm hungry.
Remember what we learned. Size isn't everything.
Tika, signal Gigi and Bo.
What? The giants again? You think a pebble can stop me? I've crossed rivers. I've cracked bark thicker than your tallest tree. Watch this. Whoa, that's strong.
And now we live here too.
Then you'd better be strong enough to keep it.
Strength isn't only in size, it's in unity.
Back off! This is our turf, oh yeah?
No one takes what isn't theirs.
And no one scares our village. I don't stomp for fun. I stomp because I survived. This field was mine before your tiny house appeared.
But we didn't know.
Fine! I'll find somewhere else to stomp. The world outside your village is not gentle.
We did it!
Not trust. Even the smallest voices can stand tall when they stand together.
The houses are safe.
Cruncher is gone.
We're safe!
Our village is protected. Brave ants of our village, today we stand because of courage.
Both tiny and tall. Gigi and Bo, you saw our struggle and chose kindness over power. That is the mark of true greatness.
They're talking about our big friends. Big friends, really?
What are they saying? This is so exciting.
From this day forward, you are protectors of the Leaf Village.
And so, the smallest kingdom gave the biggest honor, gratitude. They learned that courage, friendship, and kindness are stronger than any size.
Okay, Bo, let's pull. Ready, 1, 2, pull! Let's go!
Hey everyone, don't forget to support our small channel.
Bless us too. See you in the 6th episode.